Welcome to the exciting world of computer science degrees. Today, we're diving into a realm filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. From the cutting-edge artificial intelligence programs to the ever-evolving field of data science, there's a degree tailored to suit every tech enthusiast passion. Let's start with the future-proof and in-demand degrees. Artificial intelligence, the brain behind smart technologies, offers a gateway to shaping the future. Data science, the art of extracting insights from data, is a hot commodity in today's data-driven world. Cybersecurity, the shield protecting digital assets, is crucial in safeguarding our online presence. Computer science and software engineering, the backbone of tech innovation, pave the way for groundbreaking advancements. Moving on to degrees with strong skills and broad applicability. Information technology, IT, equips you with versatile skills to navigate the digital landscape. Computer engineering blends hardware and software expertise, offering a holistic approach to tech solutions. And let's not forget the specialized degrees. Bioinformatics merges biology and technology, revolutionizing healthcare and research. Multimedia and gaming, the realm of creativity and innovation, bring entertainment to life through immersive experiences. Choosing the right degree is key. Consider your interests, research the job market, and evaluate the skills you'll gain. Each degree in computer science opens doors to unique strengths and opportunities, shaping your path in the tech industry. So, whether you're drawn to the future of AI, the data-driven world of data science, or the creative realm of multimedia and gaming, there's a computer science degree waiting for you. Explore, learn, and embark on a journey filled with endless growth and innovation. The world of computer science is yours to conquer,